Hello everyone. Today, this is Raj Patel. Today, I'm going to discuss about supply chain management in PNG. So these are the key points which I'm going to discuss during my presentation. First of all, I start with introduction of PNG, then supply chain management in PNG, consumer driven supply network, key strategies of PNG, and at last recommendation. Now let's talk about overview of PNG company. So it was established in 1837 by William Proctor and James Campbell. It is a fast moving consumer goods company, and the headquarter of American multinational company is located in Cincinnati, Ohio. The total revenue of this company is 67.68 billion US dollar, and it ranked 45th in the Fortune list until 2019. PNG has more than 300 brands operating in over 83 countries. Now let's talk about supply chain management in PNG. So what is supply chain? So supply chain means not only to measure internal cost and efficiency, but also to focus on external process with two aspects in mind, such as consumer choice at the shelf and satisfaction of usage at home. And under Keith Harrison leadership, P&G company reformed its supply chain approach, and he also developed easy and more convenient operational technology called as customer driven supply network. Now let's talk about what is a customer driven approach. So it mainly surrounded by four factors such as consumer, retailer, manufacturer, and supplier, to chain from chain to network, long and slow to fast and flexible, forecast based to demand based, design from product to design from shelf back. Now let's talk about consumer driven supply network. So it mainly contains three points. First of all, products, planning and deployment. So now let's talk about product. So PNG produce lots of product, and in the figure it shows the PNG's portfolio of different 10 categories. But at the initial stage, they started the manufacture by by producing soap and candles. Then they expand their manufacturing product by consumer needs, and now till now they are producing healthcare and beauty products, fabric conditioners, pet care, clothing, and much more. Now let's talk about planning. So PNG made partnership with Walmart in 1980s, and they mainly mainly discuss about their data, and by using that they they succeed very well. And they also the data also contain main eight categories such as shelf manufacturing, marketing, profitability, data safety, and replenishment. At last, let's talk about deployment. Deployments means delivery. So PNG customized the delivery to the specification of each store, and it speeded up to the order to order delivery process by almost 10 days, and the transaction cycle was completed by electronic invoice. So, what makes PNG the worldwide successful company? So, these are the key strategies of PNG which they followed, such as consumer understanding, innovation, brand marketing, more conveniency, supply chain efficiency, cost efficiency, and the mass production. So let's talk about recommendation which I personally believe for improvement of the PNG company is increase in their sales, the loyalty towards customers, then improve responsiveness to consumer demand, and they highly rely on their training partners, so they have to maintain healthy relationship with them, and at last, constant innovation of new products, so they can connect it with customers needs and acceptance. uh, at last, these are the references